My name is Sanna-Mari and I'm your guide here in Crete.
Nestled perfectly between Chersonissos and Stalis, Arminda Hotel is an ideal spot if you're looking to explore the best of Crete. Chersonissos is a 6-minute drive away. This hotel is a haven of unparalleled hospitality. They offer clean rooms and top-notch services. But that's not all. Their spa is a sanctuary for anyone looking to achieve total relaxation. Arminda has something for everyone. Kids can spend their time in the mini club, and parents can choose between swimming, sunbathing, or enjoying the spa. The hotel's animation team organizes a range of activities, from aqua aerobics to ping pong, making sure you never have a dull moment. main restaurant here offers a plethora of high-quality options. Whether you're here for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, you're in for a delightful culinary experience. The live cooking areas are a nice touch. Now let's take a closer look at our room at Arminda Hotel and Spa. We had superior double room with pool view. The room is both modern and recently updated, aiming to provide the pinnacle of comfort and convenience. I can personally recommend this room type based on my experience. Though the space might feel a bit cozy when accommodating 3 people, let's be honest, how much time are you really going to spend in the room when there's so much to see and do?
I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I hope to see you again at next episode. Bye!